Minimal access pediatric surgery is an art which is difficult to learn. However, it can be made relatively easy if you have panel of good teachers. We have designed many courses designed to cater your need, which has minimal overlap in its curriculum. If you are not able to offer basic or advanced laparoscopic pediatric surgery to your patients, then continue to watch this video. You will come across many hurdles to develop skills in this field. First hurdle is having a knowledge of which equipment to buy, how to use and maintain it. Second hurdle is insertion of first trocar, and if you overcome these two hurdles, then the third hurdle is right way of performing basic laparoscopic pediatric surgery, which includes laparoscopic orchiopexy, appendicectomy and many others. If you are facing above difficulties, we have designed a course which is known as Intensive Minimal Access Pediatric Surgery to guide and help you. This course will form a strong foundation which is necessary to acquire skills to perform advanced surgeries. At the end of the course, you will have enough confidence to offer laparoscopic pediatric surgery to your patients. Feedback from participants of our courses at CMUS tells us that most of them have started performing laparoscopic pediatric surgery within 15 days of completion of this course. If you are beginner, then why you are waiting to register? Log in just now and register for our next intensive course. Now, if you have already begun laparoscopic pediatric surgery or have enough exposure to it in your teaching department and you want to perform advanced minimal access pediatric surgery, but you don't have adequate understanding and or confidence to offer these surgeries to your patients, we have designed 3 advanced courses to take care of your need. These courses will help a smooth transition from basic to advanced surgery. It will further help you to reduce operative complication and improvise the results. But participating in all courses, you will have exposure to panel of faculties with decades of experience, which will help you to achieve your goal of offering advanced surgeries to your patients. Each course has its own flavor of endotrainer exercises, lectures and wet lab exposure. Advanced laparoscopy surgery covers all common gastrointestinal pediatric surgery, which includes fundoplication, esophagocardiomyotomy, pyloromyotomy, splenectomy, etc. Advanced pediatric urology and laparoscopic pediatric surgery covers common endourological procedures, which includes ureterorhinoscopy. In addition, it covers laparoscopic pyeloplasty, partial nephrectomy and vasectomic surgeries. Advanced thoracoscopic surgery and bronchoscopy surgery course covers both flexible and rigid bronchoscopy. In addition, it covers surgeries for diaphragm, mediastinal lesions, esophageal surgery as well as lung surgery. All these courses will help you to offer advanced minimal access surgeries to your patients. Many of our participants from all over the globe have joined this elite group of pediatric surgeons who are capable of offering all kind of advanced minimal access pediatric surgeries to their patients. Then what you are thinking? Get online and register for one of our course or all courses right now. We are looking forward to see you